I hadn't planned on recording anything today, but as I was scrolling online, this video popped up, and I guess it was just uploaded a few hours ago. And it's a song that I really like by Dimash. And this is going to be an instrumental version of it with him and his brother. So let's go ahead and listen to it. I like how Mansur is very serious about the music. Look at the facial on there, and then you've got Dimash, who is very emotional with it. He gets into the song and portrays the song with his facial expressions as well. Well, I enjoyed that. That was an unexpected for my Sunday afternoon on that. I hope you enjoy the music as well. I will put the link to the original. Have a good one, everybody. Stay warm and peace.